Some of the habits keeping you poor feel exactly like being good with money. That's what makes them dangerous. You're not lazy, you're not careless, you're doing the work, and the work is quietly working against you. In the next 7 minutes, you'll learn the 7 money habits that look productive but secretly drain you, how to spot which ones you have, and the simple swap that fixes each one. Count your habits as we go. Most people have at least 3. Drop your number in the comments at the end. Habit 1. Saving everything and investing nothing. This one hurts because saving feels like the ultimate good behavior. But here's what nobody tells you. Imagine your money is ice cubes. A regular savings account is a freezer with a broken door. The cubes look safe, but every year a little melts away. That melting is called inflation. Prices rise around 3% a year, while most savings accounts pay you almost nothing. Run the honest math. $10,000 sitting in a regular account for 10 years doesn't stay $10,000. In real buying power, it quietly shrinks to about $7,500. You did everything right, and lost a quarter of your money by parking it in the wrong place. The fix is simple. Save for emergencies, invest for everything else. Your emergency fund, 3 to 6 months of expenses, stays in savings. Every dollar beyond that should be working somewhere it can grow. Habit 2. Sale hunting. Buying things on sale feels like winning. 50% off. You saved $100. Except, you didn't save $100. You spent $100 on something you weren't planning to buy until the red tag appeared. Here's the 5-year-old version. If I wasn't going to eat a cookie, and someone sells me 2 cookies for the price of 1, I didn't save a cookie. I bought cookies. Stores know this. Sales exist because they make you buy more, not less. That's why every week is somehow a special sale week. The fix is one question, asked before every discounted purchase. Would I buy this today at full price? If the answer is no, the discount is not savings. It's bait. Habit 3. Minimum payments. Paying the minimum on your credit card every month feels responsible. You never miss a payment. Your record looks clean. But the minimum payment is not designed to free you. It's designed to keep you. Here's the trap in plain numbers. Say you owe $3,000 at 20% interest. If you only pay the minimum, you can be paying for over 10 years and hand the bank more in interest than the original debt. The bank calls you a great customer. That should scare you. The fix. Always pay more than the minimum. Even $20 extra breaks the math in your favor. And if you carry multiple cards, attack the highest interest rate first while paying minimums on the rest. Boring, brutal, effective. Habit 4. Latte math. You've heard this advice. Skip the $5 coffee and you'll be rich. So people cut the small joys, feel miserable, and wonder why nothing changes. Here's the secret the latte police won't tell you. Your money is not decided by the $5 choices. It's decided by the 3 big ones: housing, transportation, and food. Those 3 eat 60 to 70% of a typical paycheck. Coffee is a rounding error. One person skips lattes and saves $100 a month, exhausted by the effort. Another person negotiates rent or picks the reliable used car over the financed new one and saves $400 a month, without giving up a single small pleasure. The fix. Win the big 3 first. Get housing under 30% of your take-home pay if you possibly can. Then drink your coffee in peace. Quick pause. If you've counted at least one habit so far, tap the like button and subscribe. This channel makes money simple. 2 videos a week, and it costs you nothing to stay. 3 habits left, including the sneakiest one. Habit 5. Waiting to invest. I'll start investing when I earn more, when things settle down, when I learn enough. Waiting feels wise. It feels like patience. But with investing, time is the ingredient that does most of the work, and waiting throws it away. Here's the wild math. Someone who invests $200 a month starting at 25 can end up with more money at retirement than someone who invests $400 a month starting at 35. Half the money, more result, just for starting 10 years earlier. That's compounding. Your money earns money, and then that money earns money. The fix. Start embarrassingly small, but start now. Even $50 a month into a broad, boring index fund beats a perfect plan that starts someday. Someday is not a date on the calendar. Habit 6. Upgrade creep. You get a raise. Congratulations. Within 3 months, the raise has vanished. Nicer apartment, newer phone, more delivery. Your income went up. Your savings didn't move. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it's the reason people earning six figures still live paycheck to paycheck. The house always upgrades itself to swallow the income. Here's the 5-year-old version. If every time you get more candy, you also invite more friends who eat candy, you never actually have more candy. The fix is one automatic rule. Every time your income rises, split the raise. Half is yours to enjoy, guilt-free, and half goes straight into savings or investments before you ever feel it. You still get the upgrade. Future, you gets one too. Habit 7, busy money. This is the sneakiest one. Checking your bank app 5 times a day, watching hours of finance videos, reorganizing your budget spreadsheet every weekend. It feels like managing money. It's actually just watching money. Activity is not progress. A budget you rebuild every week is a hobby. A system that runs without you is wealth. The fix ties every habit in this video together. Automation. Savings that transfer themselves on payday. Investments that buy themselves every month. Bills that pay themselves on time. One evening of setup replaces 1,000 hours of fiddling, and it works even on your laziest month. If you want the exact one-page system for setting that up, grab the Pay Yourself First budget tracker, linked in the description. It's $0, and a small tip supports the channel if it helps you. So, final count. How many of the 7 did you recognize in yourself? Saving without investing, sale hunting, minimum payments, latte math, waiting to invest, upgrade creep, busy money. Drop your number in the comments, 1 through 7, be honest. Most people find at least 3, and knowing yours is genuinely the first fix. And remember the pattern behind all 7. They fail because they rely on feelings. Feeling safe, feeling smart, feeling busy. The habits that build wealth are boring and automatic. Boring wins. If you want to know exactly where these habits have left you, watch the 7 levels of financial freedom next. It shows you which level you're standing on and how to climb. New here? This channel makes money simple. 2 videos a week. Subscribe, tap the bell, and I'll see you at the next level.